If your power bank no longer lasts like before, it's not because it's fake. It's because of something you are doing every single day without even realizing it. And mistake number 3, almost everyone in Nigeria is guilty of it. If you fix just one of these things, your power bank can last you 2 to 3 times longer. Now, let's talk. A lot of people will spend 30,000 naira, 40,000 or even 70,000 on a good power bank. Then, after a few months, it starts behaving like a 5,000 naira one. Then, you think it's fake. But most times, you are the one slowly killing it. Now, mistake number 1, draining to 0%. Let's start with this one because many Nigerians believe you must always drain your power bank to 0% before charging it again. That idea is old school. Look, modern power bank uses lithium battery and they usually hate being drained completely. Every time you take it to 0%, you are stressing the battery. Now I understand NEPA takes light, you are managing it, but if you keep doing this regularly, you are completely reducing the lifespan. Now, what you should do instead, try to charge it when it drops to around 20% and unplug it before it stays too long at 100%. Small habits, big difference. Now, mistake number 2, heat. This one is very common in Nigeria. Leaving your power bank inside your car or under direct sunlight or even charging in hot, stuffy room. You are literally cooking the battery. Heat is one of the fastest way to destroy any battery, not just power bank. If your power bank ever feels too hot to touch, then that's a warning sign. What you should do instead, always charge it in a cool, ventilated place. And if it's overheating, unplug it immediately. Now mistake number 3, cheap cable. Now this is where most people are guilty. That cheap cable you bought from the street. Yes, I'm talking to you. Cheap cables don't just charge slowly. They can actually damage your power bank. Why? Because they don't regulate power properly. That leads to overheating, unstable charging, and long-term battery damage. Imagine using a premium power bank with a low quality cable. You are sabotaging your own device. And real quick, if you like content like this, simple tech tips that actually save you money in Nigeria, then like this video and tap the subscribe button below this video so you don't miss what's coming next. Because some of these mistakes, people don't even realize until it's too late. Now mistake number 4, using phone while charging. Let's be honest, you plug your phone into your power bank and you are pressing it, watching videos, chatting, or even gaming. What you are doing is called parasitic charging. Your phone is collecting power and also using power at the same time. That creates heat on both sides. Your phone heats up and your power bank heats up, and over time, battery life drops. If you must use your phone while charging, try avoiding heavy apps like gaming or video editing apps. Now mistake number 5, bad chargers. Another silent killer. That small charger you are using to charge your power bank. You know that one they call wall gecko. Not all chargers are safe. Some deliver unstable power and that can damage your power bank internal system, especially if your power bank supports fast charging and you are using a fake or a weak adapter. Here is a simple fix. Use good quality chargers. Match the voltage when possible. Now here is a bonus tip. This one surprises a lot of people. Some of you only use your power bank during blackouts, then leave it for weeks or even months. That's also bad for the battery. Battery needs to stay active. If you are not using it, at least charge it and discharge it once in a while. So now be honest, which of these have you been doing? Drop it in the comment section. I want to see. And also tell me how long your power bank has lasted and the brand you are using. If you find this video helpful, please do me a quick favor. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with someone who always complains my power bank don't spoil. Protect your gadgets, protect your money, and I will see you in the next video.